Hi, my name is Adam. We'll be building a helicopter dragon. It will be half helicopter and half dragon. It won't be exactly a helicopter. These are the pieces. All right, let's begin. First, take this. Okay, now get a propeller piece, giant size. Now put it in here, like this. Okay, now put it down for now and take one blue, one green. It can be any color. Now take a black 2x4 and put it like this. What? Okay, now grab the propeller and look at the back and put it on like this. Okay, now get a shiny 2x2 and put it on like this. Okay, now grab a piece that looks like this and put it on like this.
This is a sticker. I know.
And you can put a sticker here if you want. Well, I did because just like, you know. Now you take this and put it like this in the back of this piece. Now grab this. Now put this down and grab this and this. Put one here and the other here. Okay, now grab this and this. Put them diagonal. Like this. Okay, that's all. See you next time.